Hiya everyone, welcome to In Secret Delight the Crown. I love it. Welcome to day 2 of my Christmas soap series, and today we're creating a sexy soap for Christmas with a fragrance dupe called Joop. Dupe. So let's get to it. It's quite a unisex fragrance, even though it's considered a masculine one. I hope you're going to love this one. Let's get to it, shall we? So here we are with the fragrance description. Top notes are Amalfi lemon, orange blossom, bergamot. Middle notes heliotrope, cardamom, lily of the valley, and the bottom notes are tonka bean, tobacco and vetiver, among many others. You might notice, if you know a little bit about essential oils, when you see the allergens on a list that you have to write on your label, those allergens usually come from essential oils. So essential oils do go into the making up of a fragrance oil. I'm using my mid-priced recipe today, the one with a lot more cocoa butter, as you can see with the colour of the soap batter. And I'm loving it. Recipes in the description box below the video. So the same with this one. It's going to be a similar design to the pink champagne that I did. I need a better name for it though. I need like it to be Christmas champagne or something like that. Holiday champagne. So in here I've got 2 teaspoons of titanium dioxide mixed with some warm water out of the kettle. In that goes, and we're just going to blend that in. Earlier this month I made this bath bomb, which is a dupe, and I want to make the soap, this soap blue, so that I can probably do like a set with the bath bomb and the soap in together. I'm not going to do it dark blue. I just thought if it was blue it would be good enough. So for the last batch I separated off a litre. I'm going to do about 1.5 litres. Separate on this one, because the pink champagne one has like a bit of a thin layer of white on the top, and I want this one just to have a little bit of a thicker layer. Okay, so this is fluorescent blue from Mineral Makeup Ingredients, which I've pre-mixed in some olive oil. I can't remember if I've even soaped with this one before. Now I know it's called fluorescent neon blue, but it's not fluorescent or neon at all. The only ones that are really fluorescent are the yellow, the green, the pink and the orange. I think that's it. Time to pour the top layer. Oh, I'm not used to doing it that way around. I need my right hand to pour. So we're going to do the fork texture on the top, but only on one side. When I've cut the soap, I'm going to decorate it probably with holly and berries. Okay, so we've got a holly leaves cutter here, and I'm just gonna, I wonder which way it's gonna look the best. Yeah, with those two leaves there. I'm just gonna put an indentation on the side of each soap, like so. I want to put, I don't know, it might be a mistake to do this, but I want to pipe around it and then put some holly in there, and then we're going to put some silver drizzle on the soap. Okay, so we're just gonna stand the bars up on their bases like so. I want to put the drizzle on this side, so I'm just putting the soap at an angle that'll make it comfortable for me to do that. If I was doing it there, I'd have to twist my wrist all the way to get the drizzle backwards and forwards. So just placing it there gets it in the right place, position. And there we are. This is our second Christmas soap in the series of Christmas soaps 2022. Hope you enjoyed this how-to. The recipe is in the description box down below the video. I was going to put a few sprinkles on the top of the silver, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it like that. I think it looks interesting as it is. And don't forget to tune in tomorrow for another Christmas soap 2022 series, when we'll have another exciting soap for you. I'll see you then, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that YouTube do actually tell you when I upload another video. Place a comment, share the video if you like with all your friends, and that'll really help me. So as per usual, I'll be back very soon. Bye bye for now.